Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Daily English Dose. I'm Alia Mehar, and today we're going to talk about something that affects almost everyone, your evenings. Let me ask you this. How do you usually spend your evenings? Do you feel productive, peaceful, and happy? Or do you feel like the hours just slip away? Scrolling, watching random videos, or lying around with no energy. Most people waste their evenings without even realizing it. But your evenings are actually one of the most powerful times of the day. They can shape your tomorrow, your health, and even your long-term success. In this episode, we'll learn how to stop wasting evenings and turn them into your secret weapon for growth. So sit back, listen carefully, and repeat some key sentences with me to improve your English speaking. Let's begin. Your evening is the bridge between your busy day and your tomorrow. Think of it like this. Mornings set the tone, but evenings decide the quality. If you waste your evenings, you wake up tired, unprepared, and unfocused. But if you use your evenings wisely, you go to bed feeling calm, and you wake up with energy and motivation. Here's a simple English phrase you can repeat after me. My evenings decide how strong my mornings will be. Say it again. My evenings decide how strong my mornings will be. This is why successful people protect their evenings. They don't waste them. They use them for reflection, learning, or recharging. Now let's look at how most people waste evenings. Do you fall into any of these traps? The screen trap. Hours of endless scrolling on social media or binge-watching shows. The snack trap. Eating junk food late at night, which ruins sleep. The worry trap, spending hours overthinking instead of relaxing. The tomorrow I'll start trap, promising to change but never actually changing. Do any of these sound familiar? Be honest with yourself. Here's a practice sentence. I don't want to waste my evenings anymore. Say it slowly and clearly. I don't want to waste my evenings anymore. So, what can you do instead of wasting time? The first step is to create a small evening routine. Nothing complicated, just 3 to 4 simple things you repeat every evening. This gives structure and meaning to your time. Examples: spend 20 minutes reading. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Prepare clothes, bag, or tasks for tomorrow. Take a short walk without your phone. These little actions may look small, but over time they transform your evenings. Here's another useful sentence. Small habits in the evening build a better tomorrow. Repeat it with me. Small habits in the evening build a better tomorrow. Imagine 2 people. Person A finishes work, lies on the sofa, scrolls through TikTok for 2 hours, eats junk food, and goes to bed late. Person B finishes work, takes a short walk, reads a little, writes down tomorrow's plan, and goes to sleep peacefully. Whose life do you think will look better in 1 year? Of course, person B. Why? Because your routine decides your results. Repeat this phrase with me. My routine creates my future. I want to share a simple formula you can follow every evening. Think of it as your evening compass. It guides you to use time wisely. Relax your body. Do something light, a short walk, some stretching, even deep breathing. Your body needs to release the stress of the day. Sentence practice. I relax my body to release stress. Refresh your mind. Read a few pages of a book, listen to an inspiring podcast, or even learn new English words. This is your brain's golden time. Sentence practice: I refresh my mind with knowledge. I refresh my mind with knowledge. Reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what went well today? What could I improve? This reflection gives direction. Sentence practice: I reflect to improve my tomorrow. I reflect to improve my tomorrow. Prepare for tomorrow. Lay out clothes, write a to-do list, and set small goals. When you wake up, you'll feel ready. Sentence practice: I prepare for tomorrow tonight. I prepare for tomorrow tonight. Let me tell you about my student, Sarah. She used to waste evenings watching random TV shows until midnight. Every morning, she felt tired and guilty. One day, she decided to change. She started small, 10 minutes of reading, 5 minutes writing her goals, and preparing her work bag before bed. Within 3 weeks, she felt calmer, more focused, and even had time to practice English. Sarah told me, I never knew my evenings could change my mornings. And she was right. So now you have a clear evening formula. Relax, refresh, reflect, and prepare. If you even do 2 of these, you'll see a big change. We've talked about why evenings are important and how to structure them. But here's the truth. Knowing is not enough. The hardest part is staying consistent. So let's explore how you can protect your evenings, fight distractions, and actually enjoy this new lifestyle. The battle with distractions. Your biggest enemy in the evening is not time. It's distractions. The notification on your phone, the just one more episode thought, the habit of saying, I'll start tomorrow. If you don't control your environment will control you. Repeat after me. I control my evenings don't control me. 3 secrets to staying consistent. Make it easy, not perfect. Don't try to create a perfect 2-hour evening routine on day 1. Start small, maybe just 10 minutes of reading or journaling. Small steps grow into big results. Small steps lead to big changes. Link it to something you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, write tomorrow's to-do list. After dinner, take a 10-minute walk. Linking habits makes them stick. I connect new habits to old ones. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. After finishing your routine, allow yourself a favorite tea, relaxing music, or even a few minutes of fun scrolling. Rewards tell your brain, this feels good. Let's do it again. I reward myself for good habits. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine you finish your evening calmly. Your phone is away. You've read something meaningful, written down your goals, and prepared your things. You sleep peacefully. You wake up fresh, focused, and ready to go. Now imagine repeating this for 1 week, for 1 month, for 1 year. Can you see how much your life will improve? This is not a dream. It's completely possible. It starts tonight. Remember, every evening is a choice. You can waste it, or you can invest it. You can scroll endlessly, or you can grow endlessly. Repeat one last powerful sentence with me. Tonight, I choose growth over waste. Say it again with energy. Tonight, I choose growth over waste. My dear friends, your evenings are the most underestimated hours of the day. Protect them, Use them, and they will transform your mornings, your days, and your entire future. So tonight, when the sun goes down, don't fall into the same old traps. Instead, take control. Do something small, something meaningful. And remember, you are writing the story of your life, one evening at a time. Thank you for joining me on Daily English Dose. I'm Alia Mehar, wishing you peaceful evenings and powerful mornings. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stop wasting your evenings.